Hi, Vanessa here. In this video, I will be showing you how I measure my brims for when I'm working beanies from the bottom up. So you want to make sure that you have an odd number of rows. This means that you should end on the same side as your beginning tail. So let's measure the brim. Keep in mind that this will differ from person to person. But what I like to do is lay it down, and I'll grab my tape measure. I'll lay that down as well. And you want to stretch the band and feel the stretch as you're pulling it. You want the band to stretch a little, but if you overstretch it, it'll be too tight. So right about here is what I'm comfortable with. But you can actually pull it out some more and stretch it to the max, which you do not want to do. It'll be too tight when you start working on the body of the beanie. So think about your tension and what that looks like when you start working around the brim of the body. I crochet loosely, so I need to stretch it more than the next person. If you crochet tight, I don't recommend stretching it too much. Each single crochet row is going to be one single crochet when you're working the body. For me, the rule of thumb is if your pattern or the pattern you're working on says you'll be working in multiples of 4 for the main body, then what I will do is try to crochet my brim in multiples of 4 rows. Now this only works for single crochet stitches. I don't crochet less than that. It's always better to increase the number of stitches you need for the body than to decrease it. You don't want the body of your beanie to be tighter or smaller than your brim. Okay, I hope you found that useful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.